Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to sell on Amazon from Alibaba. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to sell on Amazon from Alibaba, you first need to identify a product to sell on Amazon and then find a supplier on Alibaba. Once you find a supplier, you can place an order, arrange shipping to Amazon's fulfillment center, and create a product listing on Amazon. So first of all, research and select a product. Once you have identified a profitable product niche on Amazon, choose the product with high demand and low competition. Now create an Alibaba account and search for suppliers. Then simply contact the particular supplier of that particular product. Once you have contacted that particular supplier as well, you need to now evaluate suppliers. Consider factors like the experience, customer review, and whether they offer trade assurance and stuff like that. So now you need to negotiate price and order samples. After you have done this, you need to place your order on Alibaba. Once you have placed your order, arrange shipping to Amazon FBA, and FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. This allows Amazon to handle storage, order fulfillment, and shipping for you, which can improve customer satisfaction and efficiency. After doing all this, you need to create your Amazon listing and optimize management and ongoing sales inventory. So by doing this, you can sell on Amazon from Alibaba. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.